In a small town nestled between rolling hills, a group of friends decided to embark on a journey to spread happiness and kindness. They developed a happiness movement. Each member had their own struggles, yet they understood that the best way to uplift themselves was to uplift others. They began by organizing weekly kindness days, where they would perform small acts of kindness throughout their community. One Saturday morning, they set up a booth in the town square, offering free coffee and pastries to anyone who passed by. As people enjoyed their treats, the happiness movement encouraged them to share a compliment with a stranger. The ripple effect was immediate. Smiles blossomed, and laughter echoed through the square. Inspired by the joy they witnessed, the friends decided to expand their efforts. They created a happiness wall where townsfolk could post notes of gratitude, encouragement, and positivity. Each note became a beacon of hope, and soon the wall was adorned with colorful reminders of the good in the world. As the weeks went by, the happiness movement moved on to create Motivation Mondays, where they invited speakers to share their stories of resilience and triumph. Community members began to open up about their challenges, finding solace in shared experiences. The movement also started a mentorship program, pairing those who had overcome adversity with individuals seeking guidance. This connection fostered a sense of belonging and purpose, igniting a flame of motivation in everyone involved. Through their efforts, the happiness movement cultivated an environment where kindness thrived, and positivity became contagious. Soon, people realized that happiness is not just an individual pursuit, but a collective journey. By nurturing kindness and motivation in their community, they created a legacy of joy and happiness that would inspire generations to come. Each small act, each shared smile, became a stepping stone toward a brighter, more hopeful world. What are you going to do today to create a more kind and happy tomorrow?